Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix notification not working issue on your iPhones. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of notifications. Their notifications are not working and they don't know how to fix this. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix notifications not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your notification settings. Start by ensuring that notifications are enabled for the apps you are not receiving notification from. You have to go to the settings, then scroll down and open the notifications and select the app you are having a trouble and make sure that allow notification is turned on. After this, simply check your do not disturb mode. Sometimes do not disturb mode might be turned on accidentally. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open to the control center and you can see your option do not disturb mode. If it's enabled, then you have to do simply disable it. After disabling it, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes simple restart can often resolve notification issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include bug fixes and improvement. You have to scroll up and then tap on software update and check if there's an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and notifications are not working on your iPhone, then I will suggest you to reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, to do this you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix notifications not working issue on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.